Hi, this is a brief tutorial on how to upload a podcast to the TL Buzz page, or your podcast page. Um, as you can see right now, the way this page is set up is the most recent podcast has the quote unquote top top billing, and the rest of the podcasts are in the tiles here, the archived podcasts. Um, as we can go through here and such. So I went ahead and removed the latest podcast simply to do this tutorial. And before I removed it, I just took all the information that was in that podcast and just kind of pasted it into a Word document. But rather than previously, I guess what you would do is you'd go into Edit, and then from here you would put that information, but you no longer have to do that anymore. You just simply go into Content, Add Content, Podcast. All right, and we're going to fill out this information here. And I'm going to use my Word document. You've used whatever process you use, but I'm using the Word document again because I already deleted that podcast and I just wanted to put it into a document so I could just copy and paste it for instruction purposes. So what we're going to do, we're going to put the title of the podcast. So I'm just going to copy that. Then I'm going to paste it in here. Now I'm going to use the podcast description. So I'm going to copy all this information. I'm going to go in here. Now, since I am pasting from a Word document, I have to use the Word paste tool right here. So I click on that, Command V, click OK, and there it is. All right, and now the image. So if I go into Browse, I believe it was uh, Miss Check Buswell here. So open. Now we'll upload our picture. Now we need to do a descriptive text in here, and usually for something like that, you can just paste their name or type in their name. So I'm going to copy and paste. Now what's the URL, the website address of that SoundCloud address. All right, that goes in right here, iframe URL. So I went ahead and took the original link, pasted it in here. So I'm going to copy it. Then I'm just going to paste it into here. Don't worry about this box nor this box. Iframe URL is where you want to put the URL to the SoundCloud file. So now we're going to save that. Okay, and let's look this over. All right, that's good. Now let's go back into the podcast page, TL Buzz. There it is right there. And there it is. And that's how you do it. The way it's set up now is if you want to go to an individual page of where that podcast is, you can do that. Um, if you need to edit the what you just posted on the podcast page, that's simple. Just go into content, and well, actually, it's the. Why don't we just, if you go into content, it usually looks like this, but you can, if you go under type and select podcast and then apply. Here are all the podcasts. This is where you can edit or if you want to delete them. So it's hopefully this is really simple for y'all. I wanted to make this as simple as possible and as easy as possible. Drupal does all the sorting. It does the placement, all that stuff. It's hopefully is going to be a very hands-off type of approach anytime you upload podcast into onto the site. So that about covers it. If you have any questions or have any problems or whatnot, please feel free to shoot me an email. I hope y'all have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.